Hi, welcome to Hard Reason Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. Niagara Launcher is a really great launcher if you need to be focused, because you have no any features. Here you have only wallpaper, only home screen, and if you want to find any application, you have alphabetical line to quickly do it. For example, you want to find the Play Store, just type your finger on the alphabetical line and drag your finger to the P button, and here you will see the Play Store. Cool. On the second place, I wanted to locate the smart launcher, but unfortunately I can't do it because on the second place in my top I need to locate the normal Samsung launcher. Samsung launcher is a really great launcher for tablet. Maybe it's not a great launcher if you have Samsung device, smartphone, because it's really heavy and it didn't provide really great features. But here you have great features. You have cool home screen. You have the line of the apps when you open something. As you can see, it's here. And it's really great. You can use my menu. You can change layout of my menu to swiping, for example, if you want. But on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Why Microsoft Launcher? You can say that Microsoft isn't beautiful, but with the Samsung, Microsoft Launcher looks different on Samsung devices. It looks like normal. It looks like normal Samsung launcher. If you will set this launcher as default, this panel will disappear, so don't afraid. But it looks like normal Samsung launcher with different features, with different cool features. My menu here, as you can see, is from normal Microsoft launcher. Here we have alphabetical line, here we have Bing search, voice search, here we have hidden apps feature, and of course we have gestures. Launcher settings, here we have gestures, and for example 2-finger swipe up, and I want to open Chrome. For example, of course you need to set it up in the way you want, not me. And great, it works. So it's a really cool feature. If you want, you can use it in the way you want. You can set it up to call to somebody using WhatsApp, for example. You can set it up to opening something, and it's really great. And if you will try it, I think you will love it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.